On this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the end stop pay on the paper tray for broader printer. This is the part we need to replace right here. So, just first you need to take out this piece of metal right here. You see one lock right here. Put it in. So lift it up a little bit on this side and do again on this side. Push it in. Make sure you do it gentle. Lift it up. Oh, and then close this one. So you can take this metal part off. Now to take out the end stop, put it all the way up to see until it hit the lock right here. Put the lock down and then just slide the paper stopping out. Now we're going to replace with the new one. Just see this the part is broken on the old one. That's why we need to replace it. So put it in. And try to make sure everything inside. Now we're going to put this one back, the piece of metal back. It's very simple, just slide it in. When you slide in correct, click, it will lock in place, click, it will lock in place. Make sure it's working, that's all. That's how you replace the end stop paper for the broader printer.